Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in advance, I apologize for the audio if it's crappy because I've had to remake the beginning of this video about 4 different times. Okay, so I apologize in advance because I'm not remaking it after this time. Okay, so as y'all can tell by the title and as y'all can tell by my hair, I'm going to show y'all how I got this like fuchsia pink dark ends, just giving you very much anime vibes. And I'm finally getting into anime. I started my first anime like this week. It's called Parasite. It's fine. It's on Netflix. I just started out with something real simple because I don't know nothing about anime, but this hair made me want to know something about anime, so I started that. And it's fine, no cow. I've been watching it like non-stop, and this one season has so many episodes, so I'm happy about that. But until let's get into the video because I ramble a lot. I'm sorry. And what you will need to dye and bleach your hair is BW2. This is your bleach. You need 40 volume developers. This is the liquid that you add with your bleach. You will need a bowl and a stick or spoon, preferably plastic. You need your dyes, alright? So here are the 3 dyes I used. I'm gonna draw up some stuff right now about these dyes. These kids dyes are so fire. Like, use them. Like, when you use them, don't fall asleep on them. Just use it, have it in for like an hour, and wash it out because it'll actually dye your hair really good in an hour. I slept with mine and messed up because I'll explain that a little later, but yeah, just have these in for like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and rinse it out. Do not sleep with it because I'm a lazy person. I ended up sleeping with it. So the 3 colors I have are Atomic Pink, Fuchsia, and Vivid Violet. I use these 2 on my roots throughout all of my hair. It came out really pretty, honestly. And I only got 60 locks. Like, you could tell I didn't care about how I applied it because I really just wanted my hair pink. Like, I don't mind how it come out. It was really pretty. I still got very much pink hair, so I wasn't worried about how I applied it. And then I used this Vivid Violet on my ends. Didn't really come out as purple as I thought, but I was fine with that because I really didn't want the purple ends. Like, I seen a picture on Pinterest with a girl with pink hair and the purple ends. I didn't want mine like that, but my boyfriend and my dad liked it like that, and my mama really didn't want me to have pink hair all along, so she didn't want it to be real bright. It's still cute to me though, but she was like, yeah, go ahead, add the purple at the ends because I feel like it's not going to be loud. So I added the purple, and as you can see, it barely turned out. You can see a little bit. Of course, I'm going to go back and redye my hair like later in the month because, you know, hair color fades, so I'm going to have to do that soon. And then the last thing you will need, well, the last 2 things you will need are coconut oil and hair ties. Alright? Hair ties to section your hair off. I only used 2, probably 3 hair ties because I didn't really section my hair off that much. You need the coconut oil because you need to make sure your hair has some type of oil to protect itself. Alright? Now we're finna really get into the tips part of the video, so get ready. So let's break down what coconut oil does and how it does it protect your hair. Now if you're a loose natural, you don't have to wash your hair before you go in with bleach because many people say it's best to bleach your hair while it's still dirty. But if you have locks, you need to wash your hair beforehand because, like, we all know after we get that fresh dye in our hair, we're going to want to retwist, and you can't retwist dirty hair. Like, even though you washed it to get all the bleach out your hair and everything, your hair's still dirty. So before you go into bleaching your locks, detox, deep condition, do everything to your hair. Okay, so what I did was the ACV rinse or detox because I actually laid my head in a bucket full of apple cider vinegar, water, and baking soda or baking powder, whatever you call it. So detox your hair, look up how to do that, and come back to bleach your hair. After you're done conditioning or detoxing your hair, you're gonna wash it off with shampoo, wash it out with shampoo. After you wash it out with shampoo, coat it with coconut oil all over your head, your edges, your roots, your dreads. Coat it with coconut oil. I deleted that clip as well because bad quality is not cute. Alright, so just know I did go in all over my head And I coated my hair with coconut oil. That's the best thing to do. It adds nutrients in your hair. It adds oils and make sure your hair is protected. So the bleach won't be killing it, alright? Because bleach is already stripping your hair of the melanin. So it's best to have something protecting it, alright? So next you need to make sure your hair is dry. Now when you're bleaching your hair, they say don't bleach your hair while it's wet. I don't know why. I didn't try it. I did let my hair air dry before I bleached it, and it wasn't damp and it wasn't wet, but it was on the edge about to be completely dry. So bleach your hair while it's dry, and I think that's mostly it when it comes down to bleaching your hair. You can add Vaseline on your edges. That's up to you. I wanted my hair to get as pink as possible on my edges because I really like the color edges. It'd be so cute to me. So I make sure I do that. I missed a spot right here, just right here, and I missed a spot over here, right there. But everything else is bleached. Everything else is dyed. But those are all the spots that I missed. I'm going to say it now. It's probably going to take you a little longer to get to this color. Because I started off with a ginger color. And then to get to that one ginger color, I bleached it twice. I bleached my locks twice before I got to the ginger I really like. So it's probably going to take you a little minute to get your locks this color. You're probably going to have to bleach your hair twice. You're probably going to have to use a 30 developer and do it twice. That's going to help your hair even more than using 40 developers. Another thing is you start off your ends. You start off at your ends because your ends is dead hair. It's straight up dead hair. Start off at your ends and then go to the middle of your lock and start right there. And do not squeeze the bleach into your locks because that will eat away at your hair and make your hair weak over time. So just rub it, just put some on, and make sure y'all have gloves on as well because the bleach, it burns, okay? So rub it, and then stop right here. Do that all over. Let that sit, let that bleach, and then when it's about time to rinse it out, like 15 minutes before it's time to rinse your hair out, do your roots. That's when you do your roots, when it's like time to rinse your hair out. After that, you have like a yellowish color in your hair. I didn't tone it, I actually left it and then just went ahead with the dye. And there you go. So I really hope y'all like this video. I'm sorry for the long intro. I just wanted to make sure y'all know how to do this properly. This isn't really properly because I'm still learning also. So I just want y'all to know how to protect your hair, okay? Because if you don't, hair's gonna die, okay? So please like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all like this video. Please send me pictures of y'all hair if y'all do it like mine. Send it to me on Instagram. I will kindly repost it. It's cute. Period. Okay? Thank y'all for watching this video. Continue. Alright. So my hair section into 3 sections. Many people say don't bleach your hair while it's down, but I'm gonna do it because my hair is taking too long to dry. 2.
Yeah, 4. Who's gonna tell 4. 4.
And these gloves are gonna be y'all best friend because one, bleach, freaking eats at your fingers, bro. Like it'll be like little white little dots, and it's so disgusting, man. Like it's nasty, y'all. When y'all see these little white dots, they be burning out of nowhere, and then it just looks so nasty and just give me the GBHeebies. So gloves is y'all best friend. I remember when I used to hate using gloves with bleach in my hair, but I use gloves now. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna end up doing 2 more things of developer, so it's gonna be 4, 5, 6. Like 4 things of bleach and 6 things of developer, because this is just too thick.
These niggas really do you wrong. These niggas really ain't been so cruel. One day I'll pull next to you. Niggas really do you wrong. These niggas really do you wrong.
So the back of my head is burning, and that's because I was scratching my head before I started doing it. And like I said, it's gonna be burning because I knew it was gonna be burning because I scratched my head. I just knew the consequences. So I gotta take my consequences. I gotta suffer them little chemical burns because I scratched my head. So it is what it is. And poor champion jacket because this jacket can be so stained up. But this is how
I apologize in advance. Well, not in advance, but I apologize for my running nose because it's just running so bad. So sorry, y'all. Y'all got to see that.
it's looking very yellow. I don't mind. I'm gonna let it stand for like another 10 minutes. It hasn't even been in like a whole 10 minutes and it's already about blunt. Like, this is the lightest. You can see my nose running. I know, because my room is real high and plus this bleach is nothing to play with. Okay? Okay. But anyways, the bag when it's time to rest my hair out. So this is how the hair came out. So yeah, this is how my hair came out. It's like a golden yellow. Very pretty. I'm not going to tone my hair because like I don't have the time. So yeah, let's get into it.
These niggas really do you wrong. These niggas really do you wrong. These niggas really do you wrong. These niggas really. Ay, man, they're so cruel. One day I'll pull next to you.
Alright y'all, so this is how my hair came out the next morning. It's alright, it's cute, but I'm going over it a second time because y'all look, when I went to sleep, let me tell y'all, when I went to sleep with my hair in a ponytail and a plastic bag on my head, right? And a bun on top of that. So I messed up when I put my hair in a bun. That's where I messed up. So I gotta go in and I gotta get my ends because some of the ends just aren't purple anymore or whatever the color. And you know what happened? The purple while I was in a ponytail and went down the lock. So the color is just everywhere. It's real cute though. I like it. I don't care. I was going for a messy look anyways, but I wanted to be more bright. So I'm gonna go in with all three of the dyes again. And yeah, I'm gonna go in with the two pinks first and then the purple last because I don't mind if my hair ends up being all pink again. I don't mind at all. I just don't want to hold with the purple. And I'm not using gloves because as y'all can see, it came right off in the shower. So yeah, I can just do that right now.
Like you don't know my worth. Niggas capping like this, bro. Just to keep me round that stuff. You must think I'm some stupid shit. No. Go with all that foolishness. What I gotta do to let these niggas
Look like Barney.
like cash now, nigga, you bugging out. These niggas really do you wrong. These niggas really do you wrong. These niggas really do you wrong. These niggas really. Ay, man.
Y'all, this is how my hair is looking after I rinse it out. I didn't shampoo it because I shampooed my hair so much last night. I really don't want to strip nothing out of my hair. I really don't wash my hair that much anyways, but just because I dyed it and bleached it, I washed my hair, of course. Here's how my hands are looking. They're not that bad. I don't care anyways. Here's how my hair is looking though. I'm trying to dry it real quick, just the ends, because my ends be so wet after I'm done washing it. But that's the second go round and I'm liking it so much more. Like, y'all, do y'all see that? It looks so much better the second go round than the first go round. Like, I knew it was gonna look better because I don't know, I just knew it was gonna take 2 rounds of dye to make it get to like the way I want it. You can't really see the purple ends. They look kind of dark because my ends are already dark, but you can't really see the purple ends. I don't mind. I don't care. I don't want Look, I ain't want purple ends anyways. But overall, this is so pretty. I like it. I'm gonna put it back in the scarf or shirt because I need to dry more, but I just want y'all to see it. I'm gonna get pictures later and then I'm gonna upload this video. But it looks very, very cute. My hair is not damaged, it's not thinning out. I am finna go in with some moisturizer to moisturize my scalp, leave-in conditioner, just to moisturize my hair. Cause you know, when you have colored hair, it's best if you keep it moisturized. And I'm just gonna section it into 2 sections and use like the praying hands method to put the leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm done with my hair.
Okay, what happened to it this time?
Oh no, it just got pinker in the spots that I need to get pinker.
Oh, okay, so you didn't put it all over the place.
What you mean? Oh yeah, I went in with all the hair. Like I redid my whole head, like put more dye on it,
Okay.
so it can be pinker because it was peachy. And like I like peachy, but I wanted pink. So we got pink. It looks so good. Yeah. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video.